Good morning, students. Class 8. I am Vijay Kumar Jha. Today I am going to teach your lesson 2, Mrs. Donovan's Dog. It is part 2nd. Yesterday you had learnt about the character of Mrs. Donovan, as she is an eccentric lady genuinely admired for her profound love and concern for animals. Yesterday I had discussed with you that she is very popular among the people for love and care of animal. I hope you have opened your book before you to go through the lines of the story for better understanding. Presently, take care the para. She had the irresistible mystic appeal of an amateur, and on top of that, there was her habit, particularly in daring in Darawai, of never charging for her advice, her medicine, or her long period of diligent nursing. Now, know about Donovan that she was a very popular lady and she did not take any charge to give her advice, medicine, or for a long time serving to anyone. Since she inhabited the street of Dharabai all day and every day, I often encountered her, and she always smiled at me sweetly and told me how she had been sitting up all night with Mrs. So and so's dog that I had been treating. Now, Mr. Harriet, who is vet doctor and writer of this story, also expresses his view that Mrs. Donovan lived in Dharabai, and every day Mr. Harriet used to encounter with her, and whenever she met him, she used to smile very sweetly and reported about herself that she had been nursing with the dog all night that Mr. Harriet had been treating. She felt sure she would be able to pull it through, and about herself, Mrs. Donovan told Mr. Harriet that she had hope that she would be able to cure the animal. There was no smile on her face. However, on the day when she rushed into the surgery while Sigfrid and I were having tea. In this paragraph, writer tells that there was no smile on her face. However, on the day when she rushed into the surgery while Sigfrid and I were having tea, means vet doctor Mr. Harriet and his friend Sigfrid were taking tea. At that time, she came and there was no smile on her face. Presently, she told Mr. Harriet, "Can you come? My little dog has been run over." He slipped his collar and ran in front of a car, she murmured. "She is lying in front of the school, halfway up Clifford Road. Please hurry up." This time, there was no smile on her face, as her dog had been run over. The dog slipped his collar and straightly ran in front of a car, and halfway up Clifford Road, he was lying. That's why Donovan was shocked. There was no smile on her face. Now, I was there within 3 months. As I bent over the dusty little body stretched on the pavement, I knew there was nothing I could do. Now, Mr. Harriet saw the dog, and after taking care of the situation, the doctor understood that there was nothing that he could do for the dog. I shall take him back to the surgery and get some saline into him, Mrs. Donovan, I said, but I am afraid he has had a massive internal hemorrhage. Did you see what happened exactly? Now, the doctor suggested Donovan that there was need of saline, and it was very fearful matter for him, as there was a great internal hemorrhage internally, and what had been exactly happened with the dog, no one knew it. She gulped. Yes, the wheel went right over him. Now, Mrs. Donovan reported to Mr. Harriet that the wheel of the vehicle had right over him, went right over him, ruptured liver for sure. I passed my hands under the little animal and began to lift him gently, but as I did so, the breathing stopped and the eyes stared fixed ahead. Ruptured liver. Now, the doctor thought that the liver has been damaged, and as he passed his hand under the little dog and began to lift him, he felt that the breathing of the dog has been stopped and eyes were also fixed ahead. So it was very difficult situation for the dog to survive. Now Mrs. Donovan sank to her knees, and for a few moments she gently stroked the rough hair of the head and chest. He is dead, isn't he? She whispered at last. Now Mrs. Donovan, feeling very sad, bent down for a few seconds, and started stroking the rough hair on the head of the dog and at the chest also, and thought that the dog has been dead. I am afraid he is, I said. Doctor also told that he has also fear of such bad happenings. Now she got slowly to her feet and stood bewilderedly among the little group of bystanders on the pavement. Write down here, bystanders means looker. Bystander means looking people, lookers, viewers. Now she got slowly to her feet and stood bewilderedly among the little group of bystanders on the pavement. Her lips moved, but she seemed unable to say any more. Now everyone is surprised that the lady who is so loving, who is so fond of animals, who cares so much, who loves so much to the animal, now she has suffering from the loss of her own dog. People were bewildered. She also surprised, and her lips moved, but she seemed unable to say any more. She was in condition not to say anything what she should do further. Now, dear students, today till here I want to stop you for today, and next part of it will be discussed in next video. Thank you.